Greetings, everyone. My name's Devin. I'm the creator and founder of Fundelop. I'm also a nonprofit executive director, so this tool was really created from one executive director for all my nonprofit leaders out there to make finding prospective funders a lot easier and a lot cheaper. So the first things first, when you land on the homepage, the first thing you're going to see is the search function here on the left and your results on the right. I've gone ahead and queued up an example for us because I want this video to be quick. So I'm located in Chicago, Illinois. I run an arts and culture organization, and you can see I'm getting 1,300 results here, which is a lot. I probably don't want that many results. So I'm going to refine it still further, and I'm going to say art therapy for children. Which is one of the programs that we provide, and I'm going to search for the results now to refine that further. Now, when you refine these matches using a project description, we use artificial intelligence, in this case Claude, to assess the alignment and provide an alignment score. So you can see here that the Helen Brock Foundation came back with a high alignment. Saragusa Family Foundation came back with high alignment. And so it rates how likely the LLM thinks this foundation is to fund your program based on their past giving. So you can view grants that they've given to other organizations, read about the context here, and then importantly, what's different with our model is that you can generate an LOI right here based on your foundation's or your organization's profile information. So when I do go to my profile, one of my favorite things here is that under my pipeline here, I have organization details, which I haven't filled out yet. That's like if you're a one-person organization, if you're an individual artist, go ahead and fill your information out there. But if you work for an organization with multiple employees who are looking for grants, maybe you're a little bigger and you have a development department, go ahead and create a new organization here. I'm going to pull up SkyArt. Here I've input all of our mission, our description of our programs, who we serve, and what happens is when I have a funder saved to my organizational profile and I generate an LOI, Claude uses the information that I've provided in my organizational profile, the description of my programs, my mission, who I serve, to generate an LOI with the information from the funder that I selected. So it analyzes the data from the grants that that funder has given in the past, pulled from 990 forums, and creates this really good first draft of an LOI based on their past giving. And then you can go back and forth here, give it feedback, ask it to reduce the amount, increase the amount, make it shorter, focus on a specific program, etc. You always know that you're in organization mode because you'll have this dark mode type aesthetic. So even when I go back to the search here, you can see that the dark mode aesthetic remains. And so if I go back to Illinois, Chicago, arts and culture, art therapy for youth, now any funder that I save to my profile under the organization setting automatically saves for everyone to see. So everybody that I've invited under my organizational profile, this is where you invite team members here, just put their email in, will now have access to my potential funders here. And what I can do is I can start organizing these funders by whether I've sent an LOI, whether we have an application in process, whether they've approved us. And what I can see here is I can start building out my potential donor pipeline right here in Fundelop that all of my teammates can see. And I can filter by those organization classifications right here at the top, or just look at all and scroll down. So that's a really quick overview of what Fundelop can do and the donor pipeline feature, how to set up your organizational profile and personal profile. We'll do some more detailed videos of the different features in the future. Thank you.